welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing lever guards. So I bought this from Amazon and they're the cheap ones. So it came with Allen Allen keys, but I grabbed some from my pile of um, bolts so that it will be much more fit because the one that came with it has a lot of weight. And I will have to put spacer for the right so that it will be flush. So it will be like this, and then we will cut off whatever is sticking out now, give a little bit of space, and that will be our spacer, because without the spacer it's just too far. Let's mark this. That's where we're gonna cut. Oops. We already cut it into spec, my spec. And then locking washer. It's always not as simple as it seems. Now the problem is, I was already assuming this. The inner shaft where this bolt is holding is already spinning. Yeah, some super glue inside. Hope I don't shoot. Right.
Yes.
So on the other side, it's a totally different story. Because when I was removing the bar end, it's just frozen. So I had to pull the whole shaft which is quite different from other bikes because most of the bikes have those expansion bolts, so this doesn't have. So we are going to use the expansion bolt that comes with the lever guard, but we are going to modify this because I've used this in some bar and what they call that, side mirrors, and it doesn't grab from the inside. So we are going to put some um, bicycle tire interior, and then rubber cement it so it will have a grip, so it won't be metal to metal, it will be metal, rubber, metal, and then we'll probably squeeze in some inside here, and then this, so it will have like a bushing instead of just metal. So bolt, locking washer, this, a spacer, the expansion thingy, and then this one. So let's hope this works. Works. And then the small thingy in the front. I don't know why I didn't install this first. Maybe I was doubting myself. There you go. Ooh, fancy. Clears. Doesn't heat. Oh, there's where I went wrong. I forced it too much in. Let's readjust it.
think that's better. And for the other side, let's hope the super glue did the trick. Yeah. It's not spinning, but this is moving. I think because this is both slippery. I'll probably do the sandpaper trick. So I found this locking crown. Maybe it will give some bite. If not, I don't think it will. I think the sandpaper trick will do. Let's see. We will see. I think it will hold.